Well, hello, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe and like if you can. Add a comment too. But I'm here to review the Econo screen that I bought about 3 years ago, and it's done its job. I do somewhere between 180 and 300 yards through it every year, be it topsoil, compost, sand, rock, some big rock, and it's held up pretty good. But if you're just gonna do topsoil without big rock in it, it'll probably last longer. If you dig compost without no big rock in it, it'll probably last longer. But if you're in my situation where you have topsoil right there with rock in it that big, sometimes I can pick them out, sometimes they go on top. But we had to order some more grizzly bars to replace them, so we just doubled them up, bend the other ones back, and one of the other ones, it seemed to be working pretty good. We did that a year and a half ago. So, but I mean, these bars down here, they kind of bent a little bit. I think that's going to happen whether you do topsoil or compost or whatever. It's kind of on the low end of having some, screening, but it works pretty good and it's holding up. Some of these welds I had to re-weld. I got some breaking apart there still. I put that one piece in there to stiffen it up, and I put another piece down there, and we put pieces across there too. But that's, like I said, the nature of the beast of what I've got. Motor we had to put this on. Definitely, you have to put one of these on. He doesn't put them on, otherwise this gets all covered with dust and dirt and everything else. The jack didn't hold up very well. Doing compost and topsoil, I guess so, might hold up. But me having a big rock like I do and everything, this thing is really taking a beating, and I'm pretty impressed with it. Really, I like it. We have to get off every 8 or 9 loads to clear the grizzly bars, but that's because my topsoil is always moist. It's pretty rich, and I'm not going to spread it out and let it dry and send it through and all that. So the sandy stuff, that stuff there, that goes in pretty good. Comes out pretty good. I still got to clean rocks off, but I could probably go 15 or 16 times before I got to get off. And with that stuff there, I can pretty much just dump straight in, and then I can just go get another bucket while that's sifting through, while I screen it. This stuff here is just sticky. As you can tell, it sticks to everything. There's a doubled up axle. Haul it down the road, don't need no lights or nothing. Sort of like doing a wood splitter. It's one purpose trailer thing. Anywhere. I heard of people buying one of these and hauling all the way to Arizona. It's a simple, plain idea. The guy does a good job. He's got a good price. In fact, when I called him about this steel here, to add on this steel, he gave me a good price. He was kind of like, when I first called him, I said, I told him what happened. He's like, oh boy. I said, no, I just need you to order me another set and cut them to length and let me double them up. He's like, oh, okay, let me get you a price. And his next shipment, they were in, they were cut, they were ready to go. Went and picked them up, we put them on, and there they are. And now they'll take a beating. They take a beating. But I think the jack took more of a beating now. And that's just a Predator motor too. I had a problem with the muffler I had to redo. I had to weld that back on. It broke off at the manifold there. Other than that, I think I'll do some screening here and let you see. So give me a second. So got her running too loud, but she just goes back and forth.
That's just rich topsoil.
I'll just let you watch that for a second.
Are pain. They get down through, they're just a pain. I use an 85 horse Mahindra to load these up inside the bucket. Not usually bad though. Let the rock out. Oh, when I'm operating. So when I'm operating, I usually listen to that noise. When it gets louder, I dump. I don't really have to watch it. If it's level and everything else, not as noisy. Right now it's still high in the front. You see how it's going back and forth, coming in and out? Just because it's not totally level. Whew, that's noisy. Yeah, rock and roll. See why that jack takes a beating? He's gonna do some sandy stuff in there now. But I mean, that stone is pretty clean, really. You know, and it cleans itself up. By the time you get it all dumped, you get another one, you're ready.
Gonna scoop that out of there. There's some fine stones in there. It's kind of lightweight for this kind of tractor. This tractor will push it right over. Yeah. Hey, if you're up here where I'm at, I'm not too far from this guy who sells them anyways, but if you got bony soil, I mean, all that rock I've got all the way around my yard for that wall right there, this screener made. They cleaned all the topsoil up, cleaned all that sand stuff, gave me all that rock. I got more rock down in front. I got rock wall in my driveway. But yeah, it's
it's pretty nice to have. It's really handy compared to what it costs to have it brought in. If you already got the stuff, it's beautiful, you know. And if you do buy one and you're in a rocky area like I am, a bony area, then get a welder. A 110 welder will do it. You know, just gotta learn not to temper the steel too much where it makes it brittle, where you weld it like on the screen part. You know, just weld up what you break and keep on going. You know, that guy that I bought it from, he's a pretty nice guy. He just doesn't care for people who like want to screen mud and stuff that's not supposed to be screened, you know. So, but either way, I love the machine. It's worth the price, way worth the price, especially being able to haul it behind a pickup truck. You know, an 85 horse or 110, 120 horse tractor or even lower, you know, he told me people take the wheels off and drop it right down, and they use a tractor like this to do it, which is kind of like, well, a little overdoing it. I haul around with this tractor, but yeah, there's a lot of options you can have. He's got conveyor belts and other things. It's pretty nice. I like it. Well, I hope you enjoy. So, thank you.